Hey there, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many programmers might face when working with C programs and calling external scripts. The problem we're addressing here is related to the exit codes returned by the awk script when called from a C program using the system function. It seems that when the awk script exits with a code of 1, the system function in the C program returns a value of 256 instead of the expected 1. Quite puzzling, right? Now onto the solution. By diving into the documentation for the system function, we discover that the return value actually represents a wait status that needs to be unpacked to get the true exit status of the command. So to accurately determine the exit code of the awk script, we need to check if the return value is 1, and then use the wexit status macro to extract the actual exit status. By implementing this approach in our C program, we can now properly capture and display the correct exit codes from the awk script, avoiding any confusion caused by unexpected return values. It's all about understanding how to handle these nuances in the interaction between different components of a program. And there you have it, problem solved. Remember, understanding these intricacies can save you a lot of headache down the road when dealing with similar issues in your own projects. Well, that's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment sharing your own coding conundrums. Until next time, happy coding.